Whale fin caught in the bow of a tanker. The 9.75-meter-long whale carcass was reported to have caught on the bow of a tanker docked in a Japanese port. A photo published by the Mizushima Coast Guard Post in the city of Kurashiki shows the carcass of the sea giant lying on the ship. The Coast Guard was called to Mizushima Port after receiving reports from local residents who saw the mammal carcass. The Japanese daily Yomiuri reported that the tanker was heading to Mizushima Port after passing through the Pacific Ocean. The crew revealed that they had absolutely no idea that along the way they had hit a whale. A spokesman for the Mizushima Coast Guard agreed with the witness, stating that it was also the first time they had seen a dead whale in the bow of the ship. Reported by the Daily Mail Thursday, September 23, 2021. Local authorities are reviewing rules to prevent similar incidents. Based on information from the Institute of Cetacean Research quoted by Yomiuri, it is suspected